Question 22. The diagram shows a trapezium. I've given some of the lengths as expressions in terms of x. The area we're told is 351, and so we've got to show that 2x squared plus x minus 351 equals 0. So it'll help if we write down the formula for the area. The area of a trapezium is 1/2 of a plus b times h. H is the height between the two parallel lines. A and B are the parallel lines, and h therefore will be 2x. So we'll substitute this all in. So we'll start off by saying 1/2 of x plus 5 plus x minus 4 times 2x equals 351. So you should see then that that's my A, that's my B, that's my H, all dropped into the formula. So now we just need to simplify and move everything to the left-hand side. So if we simplify slowly, we've got 1/2 of 2x, 5 minus 4 is 1, times 2x equals 351. So if we now take the half, can cancel with the 2, 2x times 2x is 2x squared, minus x, we'll bring the 351 over, minus 351 equals 0, and that's what we were looking for. That's what we were supposed to show. So that's the algebra involved in doing that. Now we have to find the value of x, so we're going to have to solve this quadratic equation, and I'm going to probably try that by using the formula. So it's helpful to write the formula out and then substitute your numbers in. We can also just quickly identify A, B and C. A is the coefficient of x squared, B is the coefficient of x. Now it's not quite so easy to see it, but it's minus 1, the one's never written, and then the C is fairly straightforward. Obviously it's the constant, which is minus 351. Now what have I done here? Let's write minus 1. Okay, so B is minus 1. So we'll drop those in. So minus 1 is 1. We'll do the plus first. 1 plus the square root of b squared again, so that's just 1 squared minus 4 times 2 times minus 351, all divided by 2a. Well, 2 2's are 4. So we'll write 4 on the bottom. So I'll now insert my calculator. When I'm looking at the length, we can only really take a positive value, so it's unlikely that we'll need both values for plus and minus. We'll check that as we go. So I've inserted both answers you'll get using the plus and the minus, showing you that one of the answers comes out as positive 13.5 and the other as negative 13. So in terms of our question, we can only take the positive answer for a length, as minus 13 doesn't mean anything in terms of lengths. So the value of x is 13.5. X equals 13.5, and that's your answer using the quadratic formula. What I can say also is that it was possible to have factorised that, but perhaps not so easy to see that the answers would come from 2x minus something or other, and I think it would be more difficult that way. But you could have tried that way, and you may well have got the answer by factorising by inspection. But for me, the formula seemed the best way to do that because of the complication of the minus 351.